Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial video, I want to show you how to successfully free up RAM on Android phones and at the same time, how to reduce RAM usage so your phone will be as fast as the first day you took it out of the box. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna do is to force restart your phone. No matter what kind of phone you got, that's the first thing you have to do. When you force restart your phone, that will close all the apps that are running in the background, including system files that are using the RAM. To do that is very easy. You're gonna press and hold the power button until your phone turn off and power on. Okay, let's do it. Your phone will take about 20 seconds to power on because we just forced restart the phone. Right now there's a lot of processing on the background, like closing all the apps and all the files that are using the RAM. After that, another thing we gonna do is to open up the settings. Scroll all the way down until we see device care. On your phone you might see memory or storage. So just go ahead and tap on storage. Alright, wait a few seconds. And now go ahead and tap clean now. Once you tap on clean now, your phone will be closing all the apps that are running in the background. Another thing you need to do after that, open up the settings one more time. You're gonna scroll all the way down until you see Battery Lab. Tap on it. Here, it says, 30 battery draining apps detected. Tap on it to optimize. Then, for the last method, open the settings. Scroll down to Apps Management. Tap on App List. On this menu you will see all your phone apps. So what you have to do here guys, you're gonna select app by app. You're gonna open each app, like for example this one. Scroll down until you see App Battery Usage. Tap on it and here you're gonna select Restricted, the last option. Go back and you're gonna do that with each app on this menu. So that way, all the apps that you restricted are not going to be able to be running in the background, and that's one of the best way to stop apps from using RAM. Okay, so just do that and you will notice the difference. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video.